All right. I think Shabana ma'am, welcome. Are you there? Hold on.
Yes,
I can.
I'm there, Daud
All right.
bhai.
So I.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. I made you the host,
Right.
and that's perfect. Probably after the session, I think it's we just have kids just going out and coming.
No, that's
So
perfectly fine. Let them have some time. It's quite all
yeah,
right.
no. Again, for both the teachers, I had to give them a warning bell at 10:50 and 9:50. I said
Right.
so. We'll do a recap, inshallah. Two things, Shabanaba. What we'll do is we will do a recap of the timetable. I've been figuring it out. A little confused with where to
Right.
put arts. So Aparna, will she be able to take arts for all the three grades, Mandela as well?
Yes, yes, definitely.
So we can have
And in fact, she said she doesn't mind combining. Maybe you can have break rooms probably if you want for Curie and Monday, right? If it's not working out well.
no, I think we'll do if ever we have break room, we'll have for arts for Mandela and right, not Curie.
Okay.
Curie will have
Okay.
a standalone class.
Okay.
I will share the timetable with you as we go ahead.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but Aparna actually joining me, so I'm doing a session for the Curie.
I know she told me about it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, and she's very excited. She wanted to attend a life skill session, and
this is good.
she's.
So I
I
think
know.
we'll have to make yet another WhatsApp group with Aparna in. We'll plan that
So
out.
yeah, probably. All right. ठीक है. And about the fitness thing, are we having it tomorrow,
Yeah, we have
or we'll
tomorrow.
speak
Yeah,
tomorrow
we have tomorrow. I just
later?
wanted to ask you about fitness. So let me finish these classes. Even I'll go and join Curie class, and I'll ask you about fitness after.
Perfect, perfect. I'll see you then, Dawood bhai. Inshallah, if
Yeah,
there's some problem, I'll ask Safiya to get you. Is that all
yeah,
right?
absolutely. Yeah, all right, perfect. You're
Okay,
the
then we'll
host now.
take later. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I can see that.
yeah, all right,
Okay.
perfect.
So Abdullah, Farhana, y'all have joined in. How is it going? Okay, can y'all hear me or no?
It's going good.
Okay, so Abdullah,
Yes,
I like the way you wrote the ending. It was like the entire story was as if in front of my eyes. I could just picturize, visualize the whole thing. I liked it. Well done. And Farhana, your Alex Rider, I could read the Alex Rider series in that ending, right? Ahmad, yes, welcome. And Sophia, there she comes. So Ahmad, how's it going? How do you find online sessions?
it's good.
It's good. You know what? Whenever you all talk, it's like as if I'm seeing just the name. I rather see you all in person. Seeing you all smiling, seeing you all, makes me more inspired and motivated. So I would really appreciate if your cameras are on, please. That's nice, Abdullah Sakib. Thank you. We'll wait for a few minutes. Oh yeah, that's Sophia. We'll wait for a few minutes and then we can just start. Okay, we have Muni, we have Mozam, Mudabbir joining in. Oh, Ahmad, that's nice. I'm so glad to see you. And Rushda. Yeah, that's Rushda, right? I tell her I've got a class with her tomorrow. Right? Okay, Muni, Mozam, Mudabbir, I want all the cameras on, please. Oh, there are those handsome brothers out there. Fantastic. Hello, Munib. Amina, my pretty girl, Amina. How are you? So good to
Fine.
see you all. Okay, I guess we have Saklain left. We'll just wait for him for a minute or two and then we can just start, okay? My always smiling Safiya. There she is. Okay. For Farhana, what should I use the word? Furious Farhana? Okay. So how are your sessions going? Come on, tell me. Give me your feedback. We had a meeting with the parents yesterday and they gave the feedback. I want your feedback. How are you finding it? Go on.
It's going good.
Okay.
Nice.
Going good. Right? Mazam Mudabbir, how are you finding it?
Good.
Good. Okay. Wow. I like the way you are sitting very comfortable. Huh? And you know, you both look like pilots, co-pilots, sitting together. Cool. Yes, Abdullah. Okay, tell me. What about you? How are you finding them?
Good, interesting.
Interesting. Okay, I like your headphones. They're cool. So, what about the girls? How are my girls finding it?
It's good.
It's good. Okay, so you know what? This is a English class and it's a literature circle, lit circle. Okay, lit circle. That means something wherein you have ideas light up, and everybody is just using one word: good, 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 good. So, am I as an English teacher really bad that you can just think of one adjective, all of you?
I would rather say amazing.
Thank you. There we find another word, right? Amazing. Okay, so Sakleen has joined us.
Motivating.
Motivating. Thank you. You know, seeing you all, you know, just don't keep your cameras closed. For a teacher, it's very important when your cameras are on. When I see you, the expression on your face, it motivates me and it inspires me to do much better. Okay. So there you go. I thought Sakleen had just joined in. Anyways, I think it's already 12:05 and we should start. Okay, so I'm going to start with the video. Yeah. Okay. I hope you can see it. Yeah. Is the video right? Can you see it? Could somebody unmute themselves and tell me, please?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. And where is Finland? In what habitat is it called? Which habitat is Finland?
Scandinavian country.
It's Scandinavian country and it's in polar habitat. Fantastic. Up north. Okay. So here you go. Can you hear the sound?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll just stop the share. Stop it. Just a minute. I'll do it again. Okay. Hello, Sakleen. We were waiting for you. I'm just starting again. Okay. And where did I go now? Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Can you see it now?
No.
Okay.
No.
Just a minute, right? Okay. And I'm having this. Okay. So I'm going to share with you. Okay, I'll just share this with you. Okay, can you see it now?
Finland.
Yes.
Igloo.
Yes. Yes.
This is a premium igloo. So you can see it's a beautiful evening here. It's about negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is one of the igloos with premium view. As you can see, there's some other igloos here, but there's only a few of them that have
Igloo, not evil, okay? These are igloo hotels.
no obstructions. So here, this is igloo number 4. As we walk in, to the left we have a little kitchen, stove and sink, and a little fridge and microwave. And here you have storage for jackets and boots. And then we have some plates, and also there's complimentary coffee as well and tea. On the other side, you have Small restroom, shower. So this room has a beautiful view. As you can see, and not much privacy, but great views for the Northern Lights and for this awesome view. Here you do have some space for luggage and clothes, little drawers, as you can see on the other side as well. There's also a Bluetooth radio or speaker that you can connect, and it's also radio. Some chairs.
Can you see the
And
view?
as you can see, look at that.
How beautiful is that? Tell me.
Just this view alone makes this room so worth visiting.
Can you see the sky, the pinks and the purples and the blues out there? It's so
From
beautiful.
this side. So let's actually take a look at the view from the outside. Let's see. Let's go through here. It's a nice clear day.
Snow about everywhere. And you have this lovely igloo hotels, igloo rooms.
You see the igloo here, or igloos. So again, this is the Levin Igloo, Golden Crown igloos, and I believe it's the premium igloo. Not exactly sure what it's called. And it's here in Lapland, Finland. Thanks for watching.
Oh, it's not over yet. Just wait, the main part is still there. Look at the hues, the color hues in the sky. And these are the northern lights. And imagine you're lying down in the bed and you can see the northern lights right from your room. Because remember, the igloo is of glass. And can you imagine them? Oh, there it is. See the view. How beautiful that is. Okay, so there we were with it, right? How did you like it? Tell me.
It was beautiful.
Come on, describe it to me. Describe it to me. If you were to describe that, wouldn't you want to stay in that hotel?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, at Golden Sparrow, we try to do that, right? Okay. Cool, yeah, cool, right, fantastic. Okay, oh, Humera, how are you? Where are you? Right. All right, then we start with our session today, and our session would be about. Okay. Okay, can you see the screen right now?
Let's circle. Yes.
Yes, perfect, fantastic. Okay. I want y'all to tell me different words starting with P. Okay, with P.
Pineapple.
Wait. We'll do on Menti. Okay, I'll be giving you the code and everything. But I don't want names. I don't want proper nouns. No names of person, no names of animals, and no names of any country. I'd rather go for adjectives. I'd rather go for adjectives, and I'd rather go for say verbs. Okay, so with P, y'all should give me verbs, and you will give me adjectives. Okay, so I'll just share the Menti code with you. Just a minute.
Mama. Mama.
Hello, everybody. I'm sorry there was connection lost at my end. All right. So I'll just start with the screen sharing. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, there's some connection problem.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you see this? Menti.com?
No.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Here we go again. Okay, I'm doing share. Now, can you see?
Yes.
Okay, can you see? Please go to menti.com and type in this code. And when you type in the code, I want all the words with P coming on the screen, just the alphabet P, okay? And it should be adjectives or verbs. I don't want any proper nouns. Go on, start.
Is it Mentimeter?
It's Menti, only Menti, MENTI.com. Have you all started?
Now what should we write?
Just write on the Google Menti, MENTI.com, and then it will ask you for a code. So the code is 312927. Fantastic. I have Prodigy, I have Playing, and you have to write verbs or adjectives starting with P. Humaira, are you getting perfect? Fantastic. Yes, go on. Mozam Mudabbir. Humaira, can you do it? Do you need help? Sakleen, Ahmad. Sakleen and Ahmad, videos on, please. Okay, you have placing, prominence. Fantastic. Oh, pause. Go on. Humaira, can you do it? Humaira, do you need some help? Oh,
It's not giving me the option only.
it's menti.com. Munib, it's menti.com. Just go to
Go
menti.com.
Menti.com.
The code is on the top of the screen. Yes, Humaira? The code is on the top of the screen. 312927. On the Google, try menti.com. Once that page opens, you will type the code 312927. Okay. Prolophilic. Okay, you have playing. Premier League is cancelled. Preparing. Passionate. Yes, fantastic. Okay, what else do you have? Posting. Uh-huh. Come on, come on, come on, fast. I have 9 Mandelas. I expect the screen to fill up really soon. Oh, preposterous. Yes. Amazing. Yes. Par. Okay. Praying. Fantastic. Whoever is not getting, please let me know. Homera, did you get it now?
Yes,
Homera?
ma'am.
What about you, Sakle?
I'm not
Ahmad?
getting.
Munib, you're not getting?
No.
Ma'am, can we put verbs?
Yes, I want verbs. I want verbs. I'm looking from one particular verb. Okay, pause, posting, prodigy, prevail, placing, profiling. Munib, please go to Google. Okay, in that search, you type
I'm on
menti.com.
Google only.
Yeah, so type menti.com. Okay, it will search that website for you. Go on, come on, come on, come on, Sakleen. Humaira, go on. It's okay if there are spelling mistakes, I don't mind. And once you come to menti.com, Munib, all you have to do is type in the code. Okay, polishing, proactive, fantastic. I like proactive. People, yes, that's good. What else? Come on. Come on, guys. I think you can do it. You know, you guys are very good at doing that with your parents, with your teachers. You are excellent at it. See, I'm giving you a hint which word I'm looking out for. Prevail. Okay, premiere, posting, pause, problematic. No, not problematic. Y'all are not problematic to us. What else do you have? Munib, can you do it? Could you find it, Munib? Parenting. Oh, fantastic. Pacified. You need to pacify us, right? Okay. What else? What else do you think? Precious. Oh, yes, you all are so precious to me.
I'm
Pet.
going on Menti.com, but the code is giving me and it's telling that you should submit that code only.
No. Just type the code. Just type the
You
code.
type the
It's
code.
not
Yes,
letting me type.
you take your cursor over there, click over there, and then you say 312927.
I
Okay,
tried that also.
just refresh the page and maybe try it again, Muni. Okay, so you have passionate, promising,
Okay.
play. Okay, and somebody sent a. Oh, no, you don't do that over here because it starts with a K, not with a P. Right? So you have, what else do you have? Okay, any new words? Protege. Okay, I'm not getting what I'm looking for. I just give another 1 minute and then I'm done. Oh, then that means I win. Okay. Oh, pouting. Oh, fantastic. That was a pout. Okay. Thank you so much. I thought it was something else. Oh, perfect. It is pouting. I like that. Okay. Psychopath. Fantastic. You know, I like now the way it's taking a turn. You know, you guys are really getting creative about it. Okay. Okay. Promise. Come on. Okay, I think you guys win because somebody has written that word, but then also I give you one. Okay, puny Hulk. I like that, and I'm sure Ahmad has written that. Puny Hulk. Ahmad, if I'm right, just say yes.
You're right.
I knew it. See, I know my kids, my sparrows, my students so well. Fantastic. Okay. All right. Okay, just one more minute and then we'll be done. Okay, how many of y'all really pout for a picture? How many of y'all really pout when you take a pic? I think it's more the boys thing rather than girls thing. Okay, anyways, I have somebody who's written the words. Here we end the game. Thank you so much. We come back to our screen now. Okay, now I'll start. I'm so happy that somebody actually could do this. Can you see my screen now? Can you see a P alphabet over there?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. I was looking for, which word do you know that? I was looking for the word persuade. And who wrote that? Who wrote persuade? Please tell me.
Mudabbir.
Oh, fantastic, Mudabbir. See, he's an expert in persuading people, right? Especially his parents and his teachers. That's why he could come up with the word persuade. What do you think persuade means? What do you think it means? Now, Mudabbir, you know it very well, right? So,
To
go
force
on, tell me.
someone to do something.
To force someone to do something, right? Force. So, Farhana, you persuade me a lot, right? She forces me to do a lot of things. Okay.
To convince someone.
Sorry?
To convince someone.
Convince someone. Okay, that's good. Convince someone. Fantastic. That's a synonym of persuade. I'll tell you the difference between convince and persuade later. But yes, they are sisters. Fantastic. What else? Come on, kids, you're excellent in persuading your parents and your teachers. Go on.
Guide someone.
To guide someone. Okay,
To
I'm
make
loving it.
someone believe something.
Okay, to make someone do something. Fantastic. What else?
To buy something.
Okay, Humaira, what about you? What do you think, Humaira? Humaira, are you there or we've lost you, Humaira? Okay, Saklin. Go on. Saklin, Ahmad, what do you think persuade means?
To buy.
To buy, okay. Right. Safiya, what about Safiya? Tell me, what does persuade mean? Do you persuade anybody, Safiya?
As
Yes, yes, right? We all do.
help
We all
someone.
do it to help someone. Okay, right?
To persuade me.
Now,
You tell her that I want to persuade. Like buy.
okay. You know what? I'll give you some examples. Okay, and then we can see the definition. Okay. So first
When
thing
you
now,
make a strong argument with someone,
Munib, your voice is breaking. If you can wear a earphone, please, it would be helpful. Okay, now, what do you see on the screen? There is a child.
when you have an argument with someone,
Oh, having an argument with someone. Okay, come on. Now we come to this screen of ours. There's a child who is in a Walmart. Okay, a child who is in a shopping mall. I don't want any kind of annotations. Y'all are big enough not to do that, please. So the child is in a basically mall. Okay, and the child is throwing a tantrum. Okay, that the child doesn't want to go back home. So the child is sleeping on the floor. Now tell me, you as a parent, how will you persuade the child to come home with you? What will you do as a parent? Come on, tell me. Yes, Ahmad, tell me.
I would give them chocolate.
Just, what would you do? Just pick her up.
I would give them chocolate.
Oh, you would give them chocolates. Fantastic. Okay. I thought you would just drag her. Maybe Rushda and Khadija would do something like this. So you would be dragging her home, right? Okay. Yes. Who else? What would you do? Come on, tell me.
I would just pick her up and take her.
All the macho mans, all the Hulk, they're saying they'll just pick that up and take her. Yes. Humaira, come on, tell me, Humaira, Saklin, what would you do? Come on, I want the videos. I want to see your expressions. You know, others, I'll also close the video and I won't show you any other videos.
first I will try to convince her, and then if she doesn't listen, I will just leave her. Then she will come her by herself only.
You do that with your sister, Musfira? You just leave her then? Okay.
Sometimes.
Sometimes you do that. She's not ready to listen. She's throwing tantrum. The more you try to convince her, the more you try to talk to her, she's like, no, I don't want to go home. Right, Sakleen, what
Then
about
just
you?
leave her. We will just leave her. She'll come.
Okay. What about you, Sakleen? What would you do?
I will get her a new doll.
Oh my goodness, bribery. Okay, get her a new doll. I'll give you a doll. Come on, let's go home. Imagine people are watching you, people are looking at you, and your child is throwing a tantrum. It's like such an embarrassing thing for most of the parents, which it shouldn't be. Yes, Mozam Mudabbir, have you thrown tantrums ever like this? Should I ask your mom about it? No, y'all are too good, for that. Come on, tell me, how will you persuade that girl? Mozam Mudabbir. I think we've lost Mozam Mudabbir. Humaira, what about you? How would you persuade that girl? Come on, tell me. Yeah? How will you do that? It's okay. Like I said, there are no wrong answers. You just have to think. You just have to give me ideas. Think you are the parent and think the child is throwing a tantrum sleeping on the floor. What would you do?
I gave her a toy and tell her to
Okay,
come
you
with.
give her a toy. You give her a toy. Okay, okay. Yes, Amina, Farhana.
I would tell her that if you don't come, then the police will catch you.
That's such a standard reply from most of the family members, right, parents? Yes, Safiya, what about you?
I would just drag her home.
Oh, wow. Did you do that with Zainab, dragging her home? How will you drag her? By her legs or by her hair?
Hand.
Okay.
Hair.
Yes, Farhana?
I'll
What
pick
would
her
you-
up and then throw her.
Okay. So we have Wonder Woman also with us. Yes, Farhana, what about you? What would you do?
I would first explain it to her nicely, and then if she doesn't listen, then I'll just leave her.
Okay, so I think you and Munib would do the same. Okay, right. Anyways, so now these are the tricks you would use to persuade that girl. Now, supposingly you are at the airport and you are working with the airport. You are the airport staff. Okay, you are working for Turkish Airlines. Okay, that I would say Turkish Airlines because my husband works for that. Okay, so well, you're working for Turkish Airlines. Yes, yes, Farhana. Okay, and it so happened there's this old lady who's very irritated, very annoyed, and very scared. She has this fear of flying. The flight is supposed to take off, and she is the passenger who has to get on the plane, but she is refusing. How will you persuade her to get on the plane? How will you do it? Imagine you are the staff of Turkish Airlines. Everything is ready. The flight is all ready to take off. Now, the only problem is this woman is not entering the plane and you can't take off. So, what are you going to do? Tell me.
I'll send her home.
Can you
back.
please repeat the question?
Okay. You are Abdullah. Okay. You are a staff with Turkish Airlines. Okay. A staff at the Turkish Airlines. Now the flight is all set. All the passengers have gone inside and it's all ready to take off. There is this woman, old woman, who has fear of flying. Okay. And she is very annoyed, very irritated, very angry, and she has a fear of flying. And she refuses to step in the plane because she has the fear of flying. Now, you as a staff of Turkish Airlines, how will you persuade this woman to enter the plane so that you can take off?
Because request
We would say like, don't worry, this is Turkish Airlines. We are very safe with everyone, and we will let you go.
Fantastic. Anybody else? You cannot drag the old woman now. Okay, so you cannot tell me that we would drag her.
I'll tell her to go home if she doesn't want to.
Oh, Safiya, but we cannot do that. We are into service industry. Customers, we have to always make sure the customers are happy with us. Tell me.
So you should tell her to book another plane which doesn't fly. And then
Oh, good. She can go by land. Okay, tell me. But we all have to persuade her to get into the plane. Yes, come on.
I will tell her that.
You'll push her. Okay. Yes,
I will
who's
tell her
telling?
that.
Yes, Abdullah, tell me.
I will tell her that the airport is closing and you have to get into the plane, otherwise you don't have any other place to sit. So
Oh,
I'll be like,
fantastic.
yeah.
That's
So
a
you'll
good
not get a
idea.
seat. You'll not get to sit. You'll just have to keep standing.
What is the use of coming to the airport if she doesn't?
And if she doesn't, no, we have passengers like
First of
this.
all, why did she book a plane if she's scared of flying?
I know, but you have these kind of passengers who book the plane, come to the airport, and they don't fly. Yes, Saklain. Amin, I'll come to you. Saklain, tell me.
No use.
Saklain, tell me.
Say that it's just a model. It won't fly. And let
Oh, okay. My goodness, y'all are so creative. I should ask my husband to definitely recruit you guys. Yes, Amina?
I can show her all the other passengers also flying, so there's nothing to be scared of.
Okay, so you're going to convince her on the logical base. Fantastic. Umaira, Mozam, Mudabbir, Ahmad, come on, tell me.
We can tell her that if you want to meet your children, so suppose she's going to meet her children. So we
Okay.
like, if you want to meet your children, you have to do something. Like all your life, you've been doing something for your children. So this you have to do something.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Farhana. Okay, so you're going to appeal to her emotions, okay? Yes, Umaira, unmute yourself. Go on. What would you do?
Did this happen in real or you're just asking a question?
No, I'm asking you a question because I need to explain to you the meaning of persuade.
We can prank her.
Unmute yourself, Umaira. Unmute yourself, Umaira, please. Go on.
We could just tell that woman that all the facilities of the oxygen is provided, so you no need to be scared. And we could
So again, logical, right? Yes, Mozam Mudabbir, I need to see your video. Ahmad, come on, tell me. Are you all there or have we lost you? Mozam Mudabbir, Ahmad. Okay. Anyways, coming to the third scenario.
Ma'am, otherwise we can prank her that this room is an aeroplane and that aeroplane is a room.
Oh, fantastic. You know, Saklain gave a brilliant idea that we'll say that it's a model, it won't fly. Okay, now. Oh, okay, Mozam, you have an internet problem. Same here when I'm having an internet problem. I hope I'm clear enough. You are riding a bike, okay? And I'm sure all my girls over here would love to ride a bike, not just cars, okay? So we take bike. And you did not jump the signal. That means the signal was green when you passed, okay? However, the traffic police catches you. He says the signal was red and you said no, the signal was green. So how are you going to persuade the traffic police? Come on, tell me.
There would be a camera on the they put the camera on the signal now, so that is where they would we would ask the police to see in the CCTV camera.
Okay, fantastic, Muni, but we don't have a camera at that signal point. Yes, tell me, what would you do? Yes, Safiya, tell me.
We'll just give them the money and then we will go.
We give them the money and go, oh no, but you
What if you
are
don't
right.
have money?
You did not
What
do
if you don't have
anything
money?
wrong. Then why to give money? Yes, Abdullah, tell me.
What if you don't have money? How will you give the money?
Yeah. No, but then you're on the right, okay? You're not wrong. You did not cross the signal. You did not jump the signal. Yes, Saklain, tell me.
You know, if you're lucky to
be in a social distance.
Social distancing.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Yes, Amina.
We will show proof if you can see in the picture, then everyone else also crossed because it was actually green. So the person also crossed because it was green, so it was not red.
Okay, Mozam Mudabbir, what would you do? I hope you got the question, Mozam Mudabbir, because your internet is not clear.
Sorry, we did not get the question.
The question is that you did not jump the signal. The signal was green and you crossed. But the traffic police catches you saying that, oh my God, it was red and you crossed. So now you will make a challan and you'll have to pay the fine. So how will you persuade the traffic police that no, I am not wrong? That I don't want to pay the fine. How will you persuade? Come on, Mozam, Mudabbir, I'm sure you have brilliant ideas, huh? Both of you pilots, come on.
I will tell them that you can see that the cars are going. Why don't you stop them? Why only me? Why we only stop me? Because the signal is green. You cannot stop me.
Okay. What about you, Farhana?
We would tell them that we would complain to the higher authorities because
Oh my goodness, yeah, she's using the power complaint. Ahmad, what about you? Have you ever faced this situation in India?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay, so fantastic. So come on, it's a hypothetical situation for you. What would you do? Come on, tell me.
I would
How
tell
will you
them.
convince traffic police? Yeah, go on.
I would tell them I'll file a lawsuit against you.
Okay, you'll file. Fantastic. Okay, so you and Farhana on the same boat. Yes, Safiya, tell me.
We would tell them that it's an emergency. I have to go quickly. That's why we. But actually, there's no emergency. There's a patient who is waiting for us, and if we don't go, he will die.
Okay, so you know what you guys are teaching me? You all are teaching me bribery, you all are teaching me corruption, you all are teaching me deceit. Fantastic. Okay, well, you know what? Now, when we had 3 different situations, right? So now do you understand the meaning of persuade? Persuade is to cause someone to believe something, especially after a sustained effort. That means you do lots and lots and lots of effort and you make the person believe, like that old lady, you will make her believe that no, there's not to be no harm if you fly. Okay. Secondly, induce someone to do something through reasoning or argument. Right? You make someone do something through your reasoning or argument, like you do with the police officer, right? The traffic police. And lastly is provide a sound reason for something to do something in a situation, like the kid in the Walmart. So now you understood the meaning of persuade. Okay. I hope you all understood the meaning of persuade. Now,
yes.
What is the difference between persuade and convince? Tell me. Convincing someone and persuading someone. Convincing is when you convince them in the mind, right? And persuade means when you actually make the person do something. For example, I can convince you that vegetables, the salads are very good for you for your health. You all will agree, yes, it is good for me, it is good for my health, it is fantastic, you know, eating salad. But in persuade, but you don't eat it. You are convinced, you're very sure about it. You say, yes, ma'am, it is true, everything, but you don't eat.
You have convinced us, but you are not able to persuade us. Because
yes,
you are not
I've convinced you, Munib. Fantastic, I've convinced you, Munib, but I've not persuaded you. But when you start eating the salads, that is the time I have persuaded you. Okay, finally, the last one. Now persuade me to end the session right now. Go on.
Don't end the session.
No, you have to persuade me to end the session right now. I want to see how good you are at persuasion. Come on, all of you, fast. Persuade me to...
Please, can you end the session? You will be also free.
Yes, okay. End the session, you want to be free. Come on. Sakleen, Mazam Mudabbir, no smiling. I want argument. How will you persuade me? I want reasoning. I want, you know, those powers. Induce me. Come on, convince me. Persuade me to end the session. Come on, fast.
Can I have a water break?
Oh, that's nice. So that way you want to end the session. Fantastic. Yes. Come on, guys. Humaira, Ahmad, how will you convince me? How will you persuade me to end the session? Don't convince me, guys. I'm convinced in my mind. Make me do it. You say, and I'll just end the meeting right now. Let me see how brilliant you can be. Come on, tell me.
Take your cursor and there is something written in red. Press that.
Yes, Munir?
Take your cursor. There is something written in red. Press that.
Okay, so he's persuading me in that way.
And red is
Fantastic.
your favorite color, so that's why you can.
Oh, so you do remember red is my favorite color. Okay, yes, Acclaim,
To
how will you
make
persuade me?
your appearance look better, you have to click Alt Q and then you will look way better.
I like that. Fantastic, Amina. Now I know where Danish Bhai and Kainat, all the hard work they have to do. Yes, Acclaim, tell me.
I have to go offer Salah.
Oh, okay. Fantastic. Yes, Abdullah Saqib, tell me. Persuade me to finish the session right now. Okay, go on. Persuade me.
Yeah, if you end the session, you will also be free, and I'll also be free. I have a lot of things to
Oh,
do.
don't give me such nice answers. You're a my Mandelas. I want wicked, I want wild, I want very crazy answers. Yes, Sophia, tell me.
Ma'am, you have to prepare lots of homework for lifetime theory. So that's why
Okay.
you have to end the session and you have lots of phone calls.
Oh, fantastic. I like the phone call part rather than homework. How about there's a lion behind you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone
Is it?
there's a lizard behind you. That's why.
Oh, lizard, I don't get scared of lizard. What about lion? What about snake? Yes,
You have
come
to
on.
kill the lizard.
Give me some crazy ideas.
You have to kill the lizard. What it will eat
Oh,
you.
yes. Me, I'm the strong woman. I'll do that. Oh, my Umema does that for me. Come on, give me
That's
wild
it.
ideas. Crazy ideas.
Don't you have to go to buy groceries?
Oh my god! This is called a Benji idea. Fantastic. Okay, anybody else? Farhana? Yes, Acclaim, tell me.
Miss preparing something delicious. I am very hungry. I have
Oh
to go.
my god. Okay. Humaira, can you tell me? Persuade me. Go on.
My sister is troubling me. I have to leave.
Oh, you persuade me to finish the class. Yes, Ahmad, Abdullah, Mazim Mudabbir. Come on, guys. I just want 2 more answers fast. Come on. Come on. Yes, Safiya.
You have to go and serve lunch to everybody. Leave the meeting and you will be free then.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, you have to do lots of exercise. If you sit here, then you won't be able to do because you have lots of work to do.
Yeah, and then I'll become fat if I don't exercise and just keep on
That's
sitting.
My battery is low.
So you
My
won't be able
battery is low.
Sorry, Amina?
My battery is low.
Oh, okay. You know what, Amina? You are too good. Fantastic. Anybody else want to give one last excuse? You know what? I am actually convinced, and we are going to definitely end the session. So, bye everybody. See you all for the next session. Till then, have fun. Have a great time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Abu.